In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit from Phantom Wallet to Aster DEX. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now, once you are here on the Aster DEX, you can just connect your wallet, as I said. And if you don't know how to actually connect the Phantom wallet, you can watch my video on that. I have it in my channel as well. Okay, so it's actually very simple. If I disconnect here, you can just select the Solana chain. You can go ahead and click on Connect Wallet and then find Phantom, click on Phantom, and then you basically have to send this request over here and just confirm it over on the Phantom wallet, and you are good to go. Your Phantom wallet is connected. Now, after that, of course, you want to deposit by clicking this deposit button. And then you can go and select perpetual account over here, select Solana because you're doing it using your Phantom wallet. And then here you can select whatever token you want to basically deposit. So you can do USDT, Solana, USDC, and usually there's going to be some other ones available as well. Here I'm just going to do, let's say, some USDT, and then just type in the amount you want to do, like 4 USDT for my example, and then you want to click on this deposit button. It's going to pop up a separate window from Phantom Wallet. Just click on the confirm if you agree, and whenever you do that, in just a few seconds up to a few minutes, your deposit from Phantom Wallet to Aster DEX is going to happen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.